I fixed this Acer laptop charger a few weeks ago, and yeah, it's not a very good job, as you can see. This broke the outer part, and I just put a blob of solder there. It held nicely, but then it wouldn't go into the laptop sufficiently, and yeah, that caused all sorts of troubles. This fell out very easily, so yeah, I ordered one of these from a universal laptop charger. What do you call it? It's universal. uh, this was very hard to get because this is a 1.1 millimeter. It refers probably to the inner part, one of the thinnest plugs. So when I bought a universal charger, that didn't have such a small plug. So I bought two of these. Luckily, I found an offer at the local shop, and these were like 40 cents each. So now I'm going to chop off this one and replace it with this. Probably fill it with some hot glue, and yeah, there we will have. I mean, the client will have um, two chargers. Yeah. So let's see. Should we try to cut open this or just cut it like that? Because I don't want to lose a lot of cable. So maybe I'll just cut it at the neck somewhere here. With big pliers, yeah. Hopefully this will slide off. It won't. Oh boy. Yeah, it was held on with something, I don't know what. It pulled it pulled the insulation. But it's not a problem. Let's just see if we get a clear. Yeah. So this is the negative, the outer part. Like that. Oh boy, this is too shiny. Maybe it's not solder friendly, but we'll see. And this is the inner part. Oh boy, my nails are not as strong as they used to be. Yeah, just get a little bit more stripping here. Like that. Get out of the way. You're still the other guy, the negative guy. So this will connect like something like this, and then I'll cover it up with hot glue anyway. So yeah, the funny thing about this plug is it has a plus sign there. That makes zero sense because it's between the two prongs. So positive. Okay, which one? And this is the negative. Maybe they misprinted this, or it should be right here. Here should be one sign and the other one here. So I don't know the logic behind that. Okay, so let's see. Let's try to put solder on this. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so that wire, the middle one, is okay, and the shielding, or what do you call it? Yeah, that's awesome. Now we just have to see the stupid plug because it's bent sheet metal, or what do you call it? It's hollow on the inside, so it's not really a a wire or something. It's just bent. Uh, it's a bent sheet that comes right from here. So yeah, that's how they make them cheap. It's just one part, the outer uh, shell, or what do you call it? That's one part coming down here, and the inner part is also one part coming there. So yeah, this is cheap, and also a piece of rubberized plastic. Yeah, that's how this can be 40 cents. So let's try to solder. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. One of the advantages when you use cheap materials, or not cheap, but almost the cheapest, is that they can be soldered. Yay! Easily. You can solder anything, but oh, there was plastic inside. That's interesting. It just came out. Let's wipe it off. Yeah. So yeah. And like this, let's plug in the universal glue gun. Come on. Oh, and I lost the other. What? What did I do? I need another thing. Oh, here it is. Another bar. Okay. So, yeah. This one, I don't know if it's useful. I'll just leave it here. Maybe somebody will use it. And, yeah. Just solder it here. This has to support like 2 amps max. I think it. Oh yeah, I could have done a fancier thing, like put the wire into the tube. If I would have cut off the end, I could have put the wire into the this sheet, bent sheet. But yeah, this is fine. Soldering on the outside. 2 amps. I don't think it will be a problem for a low power laptop. I mean, what's it called? I even forget. Not netbook, ultrabook. Yeah, ultrabook, which have low consumption. That's what they called. Yeah, this one is the negative. Yeah, okay, I think this will be fine. Sticks out a little, but who cares? Yeah, and let's see if the hot glue gun is ready. I think it needs a couple minutes because this is a very weak one. I don't think you can get a worse one. 7 watts, 10 watts at the that's the consumption, and 7 watts is the actual measured theoretical power of the tip, because you lose a lot of heat in other directions. So yeah, let's see. Let's put in the stick so I can push it out. And I don't have a good method for this. I should have a tube already, half a tube to put here, and then it will guide the hot glue into a good shape, but I'll just put whatever. Like that. Come on, more glue. Yeah, now it looks pretty, but when it hardens, it will be foggy. So, yeah. But this will hold just fine. Yeah. Came out okay and unique. Nobody else has a charger like this. This is art, as you can tell. Art. It even has some those color pigment things or whatever, tiny shards from another glue stick that had them inside, like from this. But they are not conductive, so it's fine. I use that on electronics, no problem. So yeah, I think that's. Eh, there's a hole. Why is there a hole? And why did the glue stick fall out? Ah, crap. I need to put a bit more here because I see an opening like that here. I think it's fine. Yeah, slightly uglier as I touched it again, but it's fine, I think. Maybe I'll paint it black. You can paint it black, but I think it's fine. For a free repair, I mean 40 cents. I'm not getting paid for this, so yeah, this is fine. So yeah, that's how you can repair a laptop charger. These small little plugs always break, and hopefully the industry will adopt something better. This is not a good solution to have all these barrel whatevers. The stronger they are, the more likely it is that you break the plug in the laptop. I mean this part, and yeah, that's not a good idea either. Apple had the right idea with the MagSafe magnetic whatever. That's the best. When you yank on it, it just falls out. Nothing happens. You plug it back in and you're fine. But these, I don't think this is a much cheaper solution. You're saving some money on two magnets that could cost maybe $1. Yeah, I think they should invest that $1 into magnets. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you learned something, as Rossman would say. That Rossman from New York, now in Texas. So yeah,